I have so many of these glass wee yogurt jars that I love to use for different crafts and projects, storage, but especially for different treats and desserts in the kitchen. I received these really cute silicone lids for the jars from the company to test out. They are made from BPA-free food-grade silicone, they are reusable, and they are safe for freezer and microwave use. I wanted to show you one of our favorite healthier desserts that I like to make. It's a protein yogurt parfait. It's really simple. I start with a box of sugar-free Starburst gelatin mix, but instead of following the directions exactly, I make one little change that adds a lot more protein and it's extra creamy. The instructions call for 2 cups of hot water and then 2 cups of cold water. I still use the hot water to dissolve everything, but instead of adding the cold water, I mix in vanilla Greek yogurt. It gives it a thick, creamy texture that is like a parfait, and it tastes so much better in my opinion. Once everything is mixed together, I just pour it into the wee glass jars, pop the silicone lids on, and they are ready for the fridge to set overnight. One thing I wanted to check because I have used lids before on these jars and they do not fit securely. They leaked everywhere. These ones fit surprisingly snug on the jars, so I tipped them all upside down and they did not leak at all. So that gave me confidence that I even tossed them in my husband's work bag and I don't have to worry about a mess. So after these sit overnight, they set up perfectly. They're creamy, they're filling, and they are a dessert that is really easy to throw in lunches. The kids can grab out of the fridge when they're wanting a little snack, or if I want a sweet treat. And these lids make it really easy. They're reusable. You can make several jars at once, seal them up, and they are ready for the week. I also love the little design feature of the butterfly in the middle where you can just pop that open and stick a straw in so you can make little drinks and stuff for the kids and their friends. These lids are so versatile. You can use them to store crafts, even glitter or sprinkles. They are just so handy.